Hello students, let us see the grammar part. Infinitives, participles and gerunds. Now first see infinitives. In the sentences, I have to study and I must study, and study in the infinitive form means that is to study. If you see, it does not take s, yes or ed after even if the number of person of the subject changes. For example, I have to study, he has to study, she has to study, they have to study. It never changes. Infinitives are generally preceded by to or sometimes by a modal auxiliary. Now see the participles. Means participles are called, they function as adjectives. Participles function as adjective. For example, swimming pool, drawing room, writing desk, etc. In these swimming pool, here swimming, drawing room, drawing, writing desk, writing, all these words, they are participles, but they function as adjectives. They function as adjectives. That's why we call them participles. They work as adjectives. Broken pencil, stolen jewel, bruised arm, here broken, stolen, all these words, en form or ed form or participle, present participle, that means present participle and past participle, they work as adjectives and that we call as participles. And now see gerunds. So for example, I love swimming. Here swimming pool, what's the difference? Here swimming pool, there swimming acts as, the word acts as adjective, it functions as adjective. But here I love swimming, here it is gerund. Gerund means what? Here it functions as noun, means as the subject or the object. I love swimming. Reading is a good habit. Smoking is a bad habit. Reading, swimming, here smoking, all these words in these sentences, they indicate gerund. They function as noun or as the subject or the object. These are called verbal nouns. These are called verbal nouns or gerunds. So once again I am repeating, verbal nouns are called gerunds. Now let us see the exercise. I wish to go. It is infinitive form. They liked his written stories. Participle. He is trying to finish a story. Infinitive. Suffering is stranger than anything. Here it is gerund. It functions as noun there. The dying swallow fell at his feet. Here dying swallow, it functions as adjective, so it is participle. He began to cry. Infinitive. He watched the working seamen. It is working. He watched the working seamen. See here properly. Here adjective, working seamen, it functions as adjective. So write answers properly in your notebook.